SAPPERs, now straight
SAPPERs Leaders Course is a course developed to build better leaders in the engineer MOS so that they can go back, bring that to infantry battalions, infantry companies, and be that subject matter expert. This training benefits the division in the fact that we bring better engineers, better trained Marines in order to carry out these missions that will eventually lead to the success of the division.
It was difficult at first because a lot of us never worked together. But just going through the struggles, that brings everyone together. It was 100% beneficial to me, and for all of us, for that fact. The proficiency of being a combat engineer, you learn a lot more, learn a lot of different ways to do things, so you got different avenues to go down when you do encounter a certain situation.
Over anything, I'd hope that they take away the ability to be better leaders and confidently speak about what their exact job is.
We're right here! We're right here! Come on!